to inside a dark tunnel with a lot of churches. Yeah, it's a dark tunnel on the train. What do the choo-choo stop here? What do the choo-choo stop? The choo-choo